Okay, we're in the town of Port Antonio, and this is where we take you on this festive season. You know, it's Christmas time, and this is what is happening in Port Antonio at this time of the year. Okay, and we are at the Christmas tree in the courthouse square. Used to be the courthouse square in Port Antonio, but now is the NCB building over here. National Commercial Bank used to be the original courthouse of Port Antonio, and now they move it and they bring it somewhere else. Okay, and this is what they replace it with this entity, and now the courthouse is down on Bryan's Bay, that area, and now we are in Port Antonio, and this is our Christmas tree for the Christmas. Yeah, as you say, Pat Bottom Kitchen doing everything. I think for the kids, this is where they do all the excitement take place. Okay, so this is what's happening right here now. We are in Port Antonio, and you know we have a lot of garage sale going on. The ladies come out with all the things for the Christmas. We're known for our Christmas tree, and they give us our Christmas tree this year. And I think everybody is rather happy to see what's going on in Port Antonio. Okay, Port Antonio to the fullest. Port Antonio is on a blast for the Christmas, okay? And that's West Street going down there. You can see still busy at this time of the evening. We got 3 more days for Christmas, and this is what Port Antonio looks like at this time at 6:30 in the evening. Yeah, night is just coming down, and everybody is busy, busy, busy. On the other side of the road, everywhere you got a little flea market going on, you know. Because you have a little flea market over that side too. Yes. First Caribbean Bank, there's a free market going on there. All in the festive season. Yes, they're doing their thing over there on the market side. People are selling, they have the business out. And this is what happening in Port Antonio. Business going on, business as usual. Okay. Yeah man, business. There's a nice little store going on here. It was very good for the Christmas season. Everything is up. Yes man. Christmas tree is lit, and it's in live and living colors. Yeah. Yes, and that's what we do over here. Port Antonio is on a high at this time of the year, and as we say, right beside the Christmas tree, we got the flea market going on, garage sale. People selling all kind of stuff. It's Christmas time, and that's what we do in Port Antonio. See, people doing them thing. Yes, man, selling all kind of stuff, selling bags, selling shoes, selling skirt and blouse and skirt. Yes, man. So we're in Port Antonio, and this is what's going on here now. Yeah. I'll have a look walk over here. I look a lady over here. See her there? Yeah man, come in Port Antonio, this is what's going on. One of the famous lady of the town, flea market, all the way up. Yes man.